Here is Fast Color by LEILANI Joy, all finished, and with the special beads placed on her hands. We have concentrated on all crystals except for one kind of pearls, and that is periwinkle pearls that we have placed right here on the bottom, the light blue. The rest are crystals. We've got sapphire, royal, lime is also a pearl, by the way. So we've got the periwinkle and lime as the sole pearls. But for the crystals, we've also got labradorite, tree, gold, desert, auburn, raspberry, and ice. So there are a lot more crystals on her hand that is blue-green, as the colors here vary much more. So simply follow the matching color of your special beads and place them on the canvas. Some special beads may have 2 coats that match perfectly, some may have only 1, some may have 2 to 3 coats that match perfectly. So think of this like a coloring book that you're given, where you have just the lines, the outline, a guide, and then you've got your palette, your crayons or your color pencils or your oil, and it's up to you how you're going to color it. The guide is basically, if it's a picture of a tree, you know that trees usually have green leaves and the trunk is usually brown. But how brown you will make it or how gradient you will make it is up to you. So apply the same principle when you conduct your special treatment on this particular painting. There is no particular need to follow a specific code, but go with the flow of how you see the colors and trust your gut and how you would like it to look, and simply place the special beads on your canvas as you would wish, on how you would like the result to be.